In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Brevo. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a second layer of security to your account. Alongside your usual login, you'll confirm your identity with a time-based code from an authenticator app on your phone. This simple step dramatically reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. In the results, choose the official Brevo website. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the URL and that your connection is secure. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your usual credentials. Take a second to confirm you're on a trusted network before entering your details. After you're logged in, look for your account menu. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the Brevo dashboard, often indicated by your avatar or account name. Click that drop-down and select Security. This is where Brevo centralizes settings related to account protection, including two-factor authentication. On the Security page, find the option to enable two-factor authentication and click it. Turning this on means that, from now on, logging in will require both your password and a time-sensitive code from your phone. It's a small change to your routine that adds strong protection. Next, choose Set up using an application. An authenticator app generates secure rotating codes without relying on text messages. If you don't already have one on your phone, install a standard authenticator from your app store ahead of time so you're ready to scan. Brevo will now display a QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app on your mobile device, select the option to add a new account, and use the app's camera to scan the QR code shown in Brevo. Hold your phone steady and make sure the code is well lit so it scans quickly. Once it's captured, the app will start generating a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Follow any on-screen prompts in Brevo to complete the setup. The process is typically quick and straightforward. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now active on your Brevo account. Going forward, whenever you log in, you'll enter your username and password, and then you'll be asked for the current code from your Authenticator app before you can access your account. Keep your phone nearby when you sign in, and if you ever change devices, remember to transfer your Authenticator app so you don't lose access. Thanks for watching. By enabling 2FA in Brevo, you've taken a meaningful step to protect your data and keep your account secure.